So spicing some things up here, it looks like we're actually going to be dealing with the right-hand side in order to look like the left-hand side, because here, the left-hand side looks really concise. The right-hand side looks like it could stand for some simplifying. So keeping with the same idea as before, I'm going to write secant squared as 1 over cosine squared, because again, everything boils down to sine and cosine, and when you're really not sure what to do, always go to the sine and cosine fact. So now what we've gotten ourselves into is a complex fraction. Now luckily with this one, the denominator is the same, so I'm just going to multiply by cosine squared theta, over cosine squared theta. And what do we have left here? Well, so going back to green, cosine squared theta times the numerator is just a 1. Cosine squared times 2 is 2 cosine squared theta. And cosine squared times 1 over cosine squared is 1. And that looks a little interesting right now, but knowing that where we have to go, I have to get a double angle in here. And notice that 2 cosine squared minus 1 is just cosine of 2 theta. Well, who knew? And 1 over cosine is the secant of 2 theta. So we have successfully gotten from the right-hand side of the equation to the left-hand side of the equation this time. So there again, a strategy. When life gives you secants and cosecants, change the sines and cosines and see what happens. Hopefully this video helps you. Thanks for watching. Come back for more examples.